How to temporarily deactivate WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the WhatsApp application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Then tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner. Now select on settings, then tap on account. Now as you tap on accounts, you can see there is no option to deactivate the account. You can delete the account over here, but you cannot deactivate it. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go back, launch the settings application on our device. As we launch the settings application, scroll down to the very end and tap on app. Select on manage apps and simply tap on the search bar to search for the WhatsApp application. So let's search for the WhatsApp application over here and let's wait until it pops and then tap on it and simply tap on the option of notifications. Now toggle off the option for notifications. So when you toggle off the notifications, you do not get any sort of messages or calls in WhatsApp. You do not get notified over here. Then you can go back, tap on the option of app permissions. Make sure that you toggle off these options over here that you have allowed. Then go back again and tap on connection method. So you can just toggle off both these options, tap on OK. And after you do that, this is how you can deactivate your WhatsApp account temporarily and you not have to delete the whole account. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.